Keep it perfectly dry, but it's certainly not going to be a washout weekend, so that's already a sneak peek of what's ahead. Today is just pretty gusty out there. We're noticing our winds picking up, southwest winds anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting as high as 30, and also an isolated shower possible as you head north of M59. And if we can get to the graphic there, we're looking at Labor Day weekend. Yeah, that slight chance for rain, but overall it does look like we're going to stay pretty dry as we go through the Labor Day weekend. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Temperature wise, we're in great shape. Oak Park 77 degrees, 75 in Westland and 76 Ecorse. These temperatures are going to fall below average, but still pretty mild. A little bit cooler in Holly, Heartland, and also Commerce. You're looking at temperatures in the low 70s right now, 74 in Richmond. So we're ranging from the low to mid 70s with our highs around 78 degrees by the end of the day downtown. But here are the winds, really gusty. We showed you earlier, 30-mile-per-hour wind right now. That's the gust in Jackson, up to 26 in Ann Arbor, almost 30 downtown. So we're going to see this through the daylight hours. A lot of times the sun will set, we lose a little bit of that heating, and we start to notice those winds decreasing. But you can see how they're up out of the west up until about 8 o'clock and then take a little bit of that dive overnight, become much lighter. So over the next few hours, steady temperatures in the 70s, 76 degrees, 77. So we're flirting with those upper 70s, and that westerly wind becoming more west-southwest at times through the afternoon. So here is the setup on one of the reasons why we're getting some of these gusty winds. We have low pressure to the north attached to an extended cold front, high pressure building over the central plains, kind of squeezing together and bringing about those higher winds for us as we go through the afternoon. The next chance for rain, it looks like the timing's in our favor. It's going to be Thursday night late at this point. We'll work on the timing for you, but right now it looks to be an overnight rain event Thursday night into early Friday. So here's our hour-by-hour forecast. I did mention a chance for an isolated shower north of M59. You can see how it's dotted across the landscape here. Not a huge deal. Won't be canceling any plans because of it. And if you do get one of those showers, again, you're going to be the exception. We go through the rest of the day tomorrow and it looks dry. We get to about 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening. Again, tomorrow night into early Friday, that'll be a chance for a quick moving cold front to slide through, bringing rain, and then it ends by Friday morning. So once again, it's going to be an overnight at this point rain type of event. Temperatures today look fantastic. 78 for a high, breezy, partly cloudy, clearing skies and cool tonight. We'll drop into the 50s, back into the upper 70s on Thursday. Overnight rain, we'll watch it Thursday night into Friday morning, and then that cold front kind of drops our temperatures just a bit, mid 70s into the weekend. We'll watch Saturday. It's only a 20% chance for a shower. Overall, though, Labor Day weekend looks good. Alicia?
All right, thank you very much.